And we're back, baby!
Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel.
Hi, and welcome to my channel! Welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while. I've been a little absent. For those of you who don't know, my name is Michelle. For those of you who are coming back, welcome back. There's not a lot of you, but I appreciate the good ones that are here. My name is Michelle. I am a sober ex-bartender because I just had my last shift yesterday. I don't know why or what I was doing, but I literally just quit my job on a whim. So here we are making mocktails in my kitchen. Today I have a lot of pets here. I'm dog sitting, so if you guys hear pets, I apologize. Like I said, we are in my kitchen. But yeah, so today we are making a little thing that I'm calling a Belli NO. So it's like my take on a Bellini minus the booze. I mean, hence the name Belli NO. So I decided that we're going to do two different flavors. We're gonna do and not like traditional. We're gonna do, well, sort of. We're gonna do pineapple, coconut, and then we're gonna do peach, jalapeno. So I don't know, I have not tried these. These were just like an idea I had in my head. So we're just going to essentially pull and pray, and we're gonna see how this goes. I have done beer reviews as well, like non-alcoholic beer reviews. And today we are using a non-alcoholic sparkling brut, which is like champagne, I think. So this is like an alcohol removed. It's FRE or free. I don't know if that's what it's called, if it's called free, but I would assume because it says freedom here in red. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so you see it says freedom. What's that say actually? It says the happiness lies in the freedom to be yourself. Cutie. Love that. And then FRE, sparkling brut. So I just found this at a new grocery store that we just got in town, which was really exciting. They actually have a great selection. Oh, my dishes are out. That's just me, guys. My dishes are out. I meant to put those away and clean all this up. Well, too late now. I feel like I have a good start. Well, hold on. Let me just clean that up and then I'll come back. It looks much better. Everything is gone from over here. Okay, so we were talking about this free. Anyways, we were talking about this. I did the tiniest bit of research on this. It says that it should have a dry and refreshing finish. Why do you have to be on now? There's a dry, refreshing finish. It has green apple and pear flavors that are said they're well balanced with apple and strawberry flavors. I don't know what that means, because to me, apple and green apple are kind of the same. I guess green apples are more tart, so maybe that's what that means. Yeah, cascading with tiny bubbles release green apple and ripe pear aromas, while crisp flavors of apple and strawberry delight your palate. Beautifully balanced, dry and refreshing finish. Okay, so that's what that meant. I didn't read this. I read something on the internet, but they got it from here. So, idiot. I'm an idiot. This is alcohol removed, so I think that means it's made normally, and then it does that like, where they take it out. I don't know how they do it. Like through a strainer? I don't know. They boil it? I don't know. Maybe one day we'll find out. Maybe one day I'll get really good at this. Let's manifest right now. Maybe one day I'll get so good at this that like somebody will want me to like tour their factory, like their brewery, like their non-alcoholic brewery or distillery or something like that. Also, something else I want to mention. I painted my nails. I only painted my nails for this specific reason right now, to talk to this camera, because I'm going to do this like I did last time and maybe get some B-roll shots. So I painted my nails. I don't have patience for painted nails. So they are painted. Are they painted well? No, at one point, yes, they were. Are they now? No, I literally am peeling, I just peeled paint off my nails. I don't have patience to sit and just wait for this shit to dry. And I buy the shit that they say it's dry in 5 minutes or in whatever. No, it's not. And do I wait 5 minutes? Probably not. No, because I don't like that. So, but I'm trying to make it so whenever you guys see my nails like over here, you guys aren't so upset. But I mean, is that more upsetting, or is seeing unmanicured nails more upsetting? I don't, I mean, my skin's peeling. I'm not that girl. So yeah, let's get started. Let's make us a Belli NO, baby. But I don't know what this is gonna taste like. And honestly, you guys won't either because you're not here. So let's start. We're gonna start with the pineapple coconut. For the pineapple coconut, the ingredients are pineapple chunks, coconut cream, and a coconut pineapple, those bay drinks. We have our pineapple. I'm using frozen pineapple, obviously, because they're Bellini. A regular Bellini is like a puree. A lot of times peach is like a very popular flavor, and then it's with Prosecco. Okay, so we have some pineapple, frozen pineapple. I'm gonna do about a half a cup, I'm sorry. A half a cup of pineapple. We have a straggler, I'm gonna grab her. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna dump this in here, like so, like that. I'm going to take my bay. Oh, hey, baby. Hey, baby. I'm just going to eyeball it. I'm gonna eyeball it. I would say that's good. So, what do we say? That's about like 2 ounces. And then we're gonna, oh my gosh, Michelle. Okay, and then we're gonna use the cream of coconut. The cream of coconut. I'm just gonna do, what did I say? A teaspoon of this. A teaspoon. Just a teaspoon of sugar helps the medicine go down. She said a tablespoon of sugar, which is like a lot of sugar, guys. So don't, Mary Poppins. Love you, but come on. Okay. I think, honestly, I need a little bit more pineapple, so I'm just gonna add like 4 more pieces. Well, let's get this party started, shall we? So it seems like, let's see. Let's just see how this goes. I might need to add more liquid. I think 4 ounces would be the answer to that one, guys. We'll see. I think we're good. Let's see what the consistency is like in here. I think that's what you want. You don't want it to be too, let's see. Yeah, it's like frothy because that will settle down, but I think it looks pretty good. All right, dudes. Let's try the next one, shall we? Round 2. Round 2. All right, I'm done. Sorry. Okay, so next, we're gonna do the peachy version. Frozen peaches, peach luza, jalapeno simple syrup. So we're just gonna put about a half a cup again, maybe a little bit more, maybe like a full cup actually. So about that much. I mean, it's definitely gonna make it more than just for one, but that's okay. No problem. So I made a jalapeno simple syrup, and it's so easy to make a jalapeno simple syrup. You just take equal parts sugar to water, dissolve those together, and take whatever it is that you want to infuse your simple syrup with. Maybe you don't want to infuse it with anything and you just want it to be sugar water. That's fine too. Those are very popular too. I took a fresh jalapeno and infused it in this simple syrup. So I did that a while ago. So I'm going to take about a shot glass full. And I'm actually gonna pour it up here because I can't do it. Yeah, maybe not a full shot glass because it's a pretty big shot glass here. So but I do want it to like taste like jalapeno. So I don't think I got that on tape. Maybe I did, I don't know. And now I got the loza. I'm gonna pop that motherfucker open. All right, so we're gonna put, yeah, it smells really good. So we're gonna pour some peach luza in here. Yeah, that shit is good. This is gonna be so delicious. I have a strong feeling that this is gonna be really, really good. All right, so we cleaned the blade. We're gonna put the blade back in this one. And I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. This cup is broken, so I have to like MacGyver this. Let's get to blending, shall we? Let's see what consistency we have come up with here. I feel like this one isn't as... No, you know, I kind of want to add more peaches. Hold on. Everyone freeze. Okay, so here's the consistency of this one. You guys, I just tried it and it's so good. And I also tried the other one and it's so good. So yeah, you don't want it to be like super thick because you want it to be like a puree of sorts. Okay? I don't know if I spilled it. Oh no! Oh no! Let me show you. I just tried to pick it up with my hands. What was I thinking? I just spilled the pineapple puree all over and the cats are going crazy. All right, pause. Okay. Oh, I got my pants. I think this is why I avoid making these videos so much. And I just do the vlogs. By the way, I have a vlog channel. Here it is. But I think it's why I do it like that. I made a new one because I lost the whole thing. What a mess. Yeah, here they are. Pineapple, coconut, peach, jalapeno. The pineapple's a little bit more frozen, but that's just because it hasn't been sitting out as long. All right, so let's assemble the beverages. Here's my flutes. My hands are wet. So now the flutes are wet. Are these flutes? Champagne flutes? But these are like traditionally what I believe these are served in, from what I noticed at Epcot. So we're gonna pop the bubbly. Let's see. I wonder if these are like just as insane as like regular ones. Everyone take cover. All right, you guys ready? Here we go. It's like freaking Mario. Let's take the cage off. And little minute by minute. That's how you win it. I mean, honestly, I don't really like opening this. Yay! Ploo! I know there's like a thing just to hold it down here and serve it like this. But listen, guys, I have carpal tunnel, so I can't do that. Here we go. We're gonna start off by making the pineapple one. Pineapple, pineapple. So you're gonna do like about halfway full, and then you know the bubbles go down. So I guess it matters like how much of the champagne flavor that you want. I think like a half and half ratio is a desire. But you just gotta do it in portions because of the bubbles. All right. Then we're going to take and just pour it in. I'm really excited. Look at it creating that like, okay, next one. All right, so we have pineapple here. All right, pineapple here. Now we're gonna do peachy baby. I'm gonna tell you one thing. My execution of video recording is not great, but I'm gonna tell you what, these drinks do taste good. All right. And then you're putting the peach jalapeno mix. No! No! I failed today in this kitchen. This made like this weird, actually kind of looks really freaking cool. Like volcano peach. Hi bitch, my name's Volcano Peach. Bellino. You know why it's Volcano Peach, Bellino? Because of the jalapeno! Jalapeno Bellino! Alright, and then we have the pineapple coconut. Dudes. Those look good. Those look crazy good. Alright, shall we try them? I think we should give them a little sippy sip. Let's start with the pineapple coconut real quick. That's chuggable. That's so flipping good. This is like, actually tastes like booze. This is weird. That's so good. Very sweet. It reminds me of Martini and Rossi or the Moscato Bubbly. Very much Moscato Bubbly. The Barefoot Moscato Bubbly. That's what this reminds me of. The Barefoot Moscato Bubbly. Okay, so pineapple coconut is an actual slap. Like you can taste the sweetness of this, but the flavors of the pineapple and the coconut definitely come through. Very good. Very good. All right, this one. This is the one that's different. Okay, so here's the thing. I can taste the puree in this one more. It definitely it masks the Brut flavor completely. Yeah. So as this one like mixes well and they mesh well together, this one I can kind of taste the Brut, but not really, which is not bad because the pineapple jalapeno the peach jalapeno mix is actually really good. So it's okay that you can't taste the Brut. And sometimes people don't like the flavor of this. So yeah, it's very, very good. Two very different flavors, but both very summery. I think this one's my favorite, but this is also really, really good. I'm just not peach isn't my like go-to flavor. Coconut and pineapple definitely is, and I think that's why this one's my favorite, but I mean, both still 10 out of 10. Well guys, that is my take on a Bellino or a Bellini with no alcohol. Very fun, very exciting. Sorry it was such a mess, but get used to it because that's who I am. Please like and subscribe. And if you want, you can check out my YouTube or my blog channel and check out my TikTok, my TikTok. And yeah, go to your local place and see if they have some non-alcoholic brew and make this shit. And then let me know if you made it. Tag me on Instagram. This is my handle, the same as my Tiki. It's the same at both places. So yeah, tag me, show me what you guys did. Let me know how good it was. Or if you made up a different flavor of all your own, let me know that too. But us sober peeps need to stick together because we are few and far between, sister. So let's get together, yeah. Why don't you when I come behind? All right, so yeah, please come back, check out my videos. I'll be posting more on here more frequently. I do these and I'm gonna start doing some baking videos and some other shit that like just interests me. If it interests other people, I have no idea. We're gonna try out some different stuff and just see how it goes. So yeah, thank you for tuning in and I will see you next time. Bye. Bye.